What if the very first thing you drink every morning is secretly slowing down your metabolism instead of helping it? And what if one simple homemade morning drink could help support digestion, reduce cravings, and help your body feel more energized naturally after 60? Many adults say they eat less than they used to. Yet belly fat still seems harder to lose. And after 60, that can feel frustrating. But often, small daily habits make a much bigger difference than extreme diets or internet trends. Today, I'm sharing a simple morning drink that many people now use as part of a healthy lifestyle routine. This is not a miracle cure or a dangerous weight loss trick. It's a realistic habit that may help support healthy metabolism when combined with smart daily choices. And stay until the end because I'll also reveal the biggest mistake that may completely cancel out the benefits of this drink. Welcome back to VitaSignal 60, your trusted place for healthy aging, wellness, nutrition, and simple habits that help you feel stronger and more energized after 60. If you enjoy practical health tips that are easy to follow, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's begin. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated and low on energy. What you consume during the first hour of the day can affect your cravings, digestion, hunger, and energy levels. Unfortunately, many people start their mornings with sugary coffee drinks, pastries, or processed breakfasts. These foods can spike blood sugar quickly and leave you feeling tired and hungry again, only a few hours later. That cycle can slowly lead to overeating and stubborn belly fat over time. But certain natural ingredients may help support hydration, digestion, and healthy metabolism in a smarter way. Here's the simple morning metabolism drink. Start with 1 large glass of warm water. Warm water may help gently hydrate the body and support digestion after sleep. Next, squeeze in the juice from half a fresh lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants, and many people find it refreshing in the morning. Now add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest it may help support appetite control and healthy blood sugar balance in certain individuals. But always dilute apple cider vinegar in water, because drinking it straight can irritate the throat and damage teeth over time. Next, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon for natural flavor without sugar. And finally, add a small amount of fresh ginger if you want extra digestive support. Drink this slowly about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. But here's the truth most people online never tell you. No drink magically melts belly fat overnight. Healthy metabolism is built through daily habits repeated consistently over time. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make. The first mistake is adding too much sugar or sweeteners. That can increase cravings and spike blood sugar again. The second mistake is skipping protein at breakfast. After your morning drink, your body still needs proper nutrition. Good options include eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal with nuts, cottage cheese, or a balanced smoothie. And the third mistake is avoiding movement. Even a short 10-minute walk may help support circulation, digestion, and energy levels throughout the day. If you've been struggling with weight gain after 60, you are definitely not alone. Metabolism naturally changes with age, and that is completely normal. And what I'm about to share next may matter even more than the drink itself. Sleep quality. Poor sleep can increase cravings for sugary foods and lower your energy the next day. So if you truly want to support healthy weight management after 60, focus on getting enough sleep, drinking enough water, eating enough protein, reducing stress, and staying physically active. These habits work together like a system. That is the real secret to healthy aging and better metabolism. Remember this. You do not need perfection to improve your health. You do not need dangerous diets or unrealistic internet challenges. Real progress happens through small daily choices. 1 healthy breakfast, 1 short walk, 1 better decision at a time. Your body can still become stronger, healthier, and more energized after 60. And the best time to start is today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants healthier mornings and better energy. And tell us in the comments, have you ever tried a morning metabolism drink before? Thanks for watching Vita Signal 60, and we'll see you in the next video.